Magic crystal ball. Please tell me, what is the most powerful of them all? Cordless mixing drill. What's up everybody, Tile Tool Tuesday here, and the big guns have arrived. We've got a Flexvolt 60 volt brushless half-inch mixer drill. This drill has an E-clutch system technology built in so you don't break your wrist. It is under 7 pounds and can mix up to 17 buckets of thin set mortar on one charge. Let's unbox it. And here it is. Includes the drill, 6 amp Flexvolt, a fast charger, and here you go. One full charge, you can mix up to 19 5-gallon buckets of drywall mud, 17 buckets of thin set, or 9 buckets of concrete. Let's open. So here is your Dewalt bag to hold and house this drill. Fast charger here. Flexvolt 6 amp battery. Your handle for mixing. And here is the drill. A very big unit. Without the battery, it does feel fairly light, to be honest. Looks can be deceiving. Half-inch chuck. Your chuck key holder here. Quick connect. And of course, your threads for your handle attachment. And again, this feels like a good quality, well-built drill. Let's charge the battery in 3, 2, 1. Full charge. And that absolutely helps with the weight distribution. Let's test this out, mixing and drilling. Now, one thing to point out, this cordless drill is 2 times more powerful than this corded drill. Your chuck key quickly and easily pops into the holder here. And your handle here. You have 3 options for placement: right side, left side, or the top. And after playing with this for a little bit, realize that the top is probably the best place for it. It's the most comfortable, whether you're right or left-handed, and it makes it very easy to pick this up and set it down, no bending over. Well, let's get to it. Test this out with mixing 5 gallons of dry packed mortar, mixing 5 gallons of thin set mortar, and lastly we'll drill some holes. Here we go. First, pre-mixed dry mortar. And as you can see, really easy to pick up from the ground. More power than I really needed. The ergonomics felt great with this big handle here. Good on my back. This drill breezed through that 5 gallons of pre-mixed dry pack mortar. Let's move on to 5 gallons of thin set mortar. Five gallons of thin set mortar. This can do that 16 more times on one charge. Let's now drill a hole. Well, there it is, folks. The power speaks for itself. 60 volts, brushless, variable speed trigger, E-clutch so you don't break your wrist. This mixing drill is impressive. If you want to check out the specs, I'll leave a link in the description below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.